when I was invited to pull my car off the A1 motorway into the nearby woods. This isn't the kind of willies I thought my friend was offering. Hey, this is Stu for Out and Back Travel. I make videos like this one to help inspire your own theme park adventures. Coming up in this episode, we're checking out Doncaster Fear Factory. The sweet smell of chainsaws. It's now officially spooky season. Over the past weekend, I was lucky enough to be invited to the rehearsal night for Doncaster Fear Factory. Just to be completely transparent with you, just like a spooky ghost, I did not pay for a ticket. This was a dress rehearsal for the team at Doncaster Fear Factory to practice on some real life victims, and of course I was only too happy to volunteer. Due to it being a rehearsal night, the food stalls in the central hub weren't open and there are only 3 out of the 4 haunted houses available. So free ticket disclaimers out the way, bottom line you'll want to know, would I pay out of my own hard-earned pocket money to go to the event? Absolutely yes I would. I will definitely be going back this year to experience the full event. Doncaster Fear Factory runs for 14 nights throughout October 2022. Standard admission is £29.50 or fast track is £42 including booking fees. Doncaster Fear Factory is located at Thornhurst Manor just outside Doncaster, a charming countryside venue which is probably more used to the sound of wedding bells than shrieks and chainsaws. The event is set inside the woods, which are beautifully illuminated with wandering actors, and there are 4 haunted houses available: YANA, the Pogo Club, Chasm and the Legend of Crackle Hill. As always, it's best not to know anything going into a horror maze, so I won't be providing any spoilers. The 3 out of the 4 haunted houses we experienced all had great sets and provided lots of scares and jumps. The acting throughout the event was a really high quality. We had some great interactions and met some amazing characters along the way. Look out for the toilet attendant in particular. The general consensus of our group was that YANA was their favourite house of the evening. Just to be different, I preferred Chasm, but you all know my affliction for squeezing into dark holes. So that's my mini review of Doncaster Fear Factory. If you're looking for a spooky scare event, I really recommend it. So you try and compare it with a more established UK scare event. It kind of gives me really early Burton Screamfest vibes. This is Fear Factory's second year in this location, which is now their permanent home. I'm really excited to see how the event grows over the coming years, as it's already pretty awesome. If you braved Doncaster Fear Factory, please let me know how you found the event and which was your favourite haunted house in the comments below. And until next time, stay safe on the way out and back.